On top of that, the winds and what may become a Category 4 hurricane. It has a small window now of just a few hours. Mid-evening is the expected landfall. I'd say roughly around 9. It could be between 8 and 10 p.m. as it tracks very quickly. The eye was wobbling for a while. It's a well-defined eye. There lightning happening right in the inner core of the storm, which I can show you in a second. Doesn't show up on this, but I'll show you in a second. That is really concerning because this is almost a Category 4 now. The winds are 125 miles an hour. It only needs to go to 130 to be a Category 4. I mean, it may get above 130. It's got a small window. As I said, we have the outer bands here, and as Jay mentioned, this is a massive wind field that stretches out about 350 miles from the center. The tropical storm force winds. Thankfully, the hurricane force winds are in a concentrated small area. Oh, this is, look at that. This is now a Category 4 hurricane. The weather system pops up automatically with new updates. So the Hurricane Center, I suspect, had been flying a plane through here, and now it's 1:30. So it is a Category 4 now. I'm not surprised because I'll show you the radar in a second. There's a tremendous amount of lightning right in the inner core of the hurricane, and the research is showing that when that happens, the hurricane will rapidly intensify, and that's what we've been seeing for the last couple of hours. Wind gusts around our area, 30, 40, almost 50 miles an hour. We had a wind gust of 67 miles an hour earlier. That was at the Juno Beach Pier. That was one of our strongest winds. Here's what I mean by the lightning. There's lightning showing up in the northern edge of this and back on the eastern side of the eye wall. See the bright reds too wrapping around. So it's a protected inner core that's showing up. There's also quite a few tornado warnings that have been popping up at the west coast of Florida. But whenever you see that, last time I really vividly remember that was Hurricane Katrina back in '05. Just before landfall in South Florida, it was a tropical storm, and then about 20 miles offshore, this happened with the lightning wrapping around the center, and it was upgraded to a hurricane. And that's why we're seeing this upgraded to a Category 4 right now. Quiet as far as rainfall, but the gusty winds continue tonight. We're still under the tropical storm warning, the hurricane warning, obviously, to the north around the Big Bend area. This warning may drop overnight because the wind field pulls north after midnight. And I think by sunrise, I'd be surprised if we're still in a tropical storm warning by sunrise tomorrow. I think that'll all get dropped. Vipercast model bringing in the track a little farther east than the official track, but a significant storm either way. And obviously, we've had sustained tropical storm force winds during the day. There's the current plane flying. It just flew out of the system doing that crisscross pattern. All right, tonight's forecast: showers, gusty winds, some rain squalls working through, slowly improving. The tornado watch is now done for Palm Beach County. It's still in effect for the Treasure Coast, but that severe weather threat is starting to drop, which is good news. But we could still see some pretty strong wind gusts here in these bands that work through overnight and even into early Friday.